Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I use these DollarTree glittered 4x6 picture frames to make two beautiful gold glam mirror trays. Interested? Then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was remove the contents from 4 picture frames, and I used E6000 to glue those picture frames together. To help secure the frames, I added craft sticks to my design as well. I then reattached the glass to each of their frames with my E6000. I used that same E6000 to add DollarTree marbles. I've decided that I won't use the black tabs on the frames, so here I'm removing them. To reinforce the center of my tray, I added additional craft sticks. Next, I'm using this 11x14 DollarTree mirror. I believe that DollarTree has since discontinued this mirror. I haven't seen them in stores since last year, but I had a few left over and decided that this was the perfect size for this project. I removed the mirror from its cardboard frame, and then I used E6000 to attach that same cardboard to the back of the mirror. As you can see, I've cut the cardboard down slightly smaller than the mirror. This way you won't be able to see the cardboard once I glue the mirror down. Since the 11x14 mirror isn't available, I wanted to show you what an 8x10 mirror from DollarTree would look like on this design. Here, I'm using a generous amount of E6000 to attach my 11x14 mirror to the center of my frames. I placed some weight on my tray and I allowed it to dry overnight. To add just a bit more glam to my tray, I cut this DollarTree glitter ribbon into very small strips, and I used E6000 to add the strips along the outside of the mirror. Since the DollarTree mirror is very thin, I decided to add these DollarTree felt pads to each corner of the mirror as well. This should help support the weight of the items that I place on my tray. To complete the project, I removed excess E6000, cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. And that's it. This tray was super simple to make. It's really pretty. As you can see, I've added it under the centerpiece in my formal dining room, and I think that it turned out beautiful. For my vanity tray, I took 4 more of the Dollar Tree frames and removed the contents from those frames as well. I used hot glue to attach one of the glass pieces back to its frame, and then I used that same hot glue to attach Dollar Tree wire lights along the glass as well. Next, I'm using my E6000 and a very small amount of hot glue to attach a second frame without the glass to my design face down. For my second 2 frames, I removed the tabs from one of those frames and I used that same E6000 and hot glue to attach those frames together face up. I then used E6000 to attach one of the frame glass pieces on top. I let this dry for about 20 minutes before moving on to the next step. Here I'm using E6000 and a generous amount of hot glue to attach both pieces together. I allowed this to dry overnight. Again, I've decided here that I won't use the black tabs, so here I'm removing them. Using 2 of these Ornate framed mirrors for this project, I removed the mirror from one of those frames and I attached it to the center of one of the glass pieces. While that dried, I fed my wire lights along the front of my tray and I added just a bit of hot glue to hold the wires in place. I also added 4 marbles to each corner of my tray as well. A few hours later, I used E6000 to attach the mirrored glass piece that I made to my design. I then added the mirror from the second Ornate framed mirror to the bottom of my tray as well. I added a small amount of hot glue and E6000 to hold the mirror in place. I was attempting to create a shadow box effect by encasing the mirror inside of the glass. However, I saw too many imperfections. I saw traces of E6000, hot glue, and lint, even though I spent a lot of time cleaning my glass and mirrors. To hide these imperfections, I went ahead and just added 2 additional 4.5 by 6.5 pieces of mirror to the front and top of my vanity tray. Once I did this, I was very happy with my tray. I also added some of the thin glitter ribbon strips along the sides of this tray as well. I could have definitely attached the battery pack to the bottom of my tray, but I decided to just place it underneath the tray and it worked out perfectly. Here's what the tray looks like with the lights turned down. It turned out super cute. It's very functional. It can hold any small jewelry or makeup items. And the vanity mirror along the back is definitely a added plus. This tray was my favorite this week, but let me know which is your favorite down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Have you subscribed to my new vlog channel? If not, I'll leave a link to my second channel below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos on both channels every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.